Have you ever looked out an airplane window and wondered if God might be closer up there?
We left Guatemala before sunrise, headed Cartagena, Colombia.
Founded to protect unimaginable wealth, Cartagena became a city constantly under attack and learned how to stand.
And it made us ask, what do you do when your own battles feel too big to win?
Celebrate Recovery Step 2 says, hope begins when we stop relying on ourselves
and start trusting a power greater than us. Right here on
Roots, Ruts, and Ruts. I've always been fascinated with clouds. In elementary school, one of my first research projects was about them. To this day, I still remember the names of their formations. So when I fly, I always choose the window seat. For some people, that seat might be annoying, but for me, it's more than the view. It's a kind of quiet. No strangers on one side, just space to think and look up. Have you ever noticed when we seek God, we lift our eyes towards the sky? As if somewhere in that direction, He might feel closer.
On a cold January morning in Guatemala, we left Antigua around 4 a.m., dark and still quiet. The destination, Cartagena, Colombia.
Cartagena, Colombia, and we're doing a little bit of shopping. It's incredible how much their money, you're talking about thousands and thousands and thousands, and it's only like $100. With a newly issued national state of emergency, traveling didn't feel especially safe. Not to Colombia, not anywhere.
But we trusted this trip as a gift from God, that it would be safe, that it would stretch us, and that somehow there would be lessons worth sharing.
Pastor Angel, someone we had never met before, picked us up at the airport.
Dios les bendiga a todos, mi nombre es Ángel Fortich, soy un fiel creyente en Jesucristo y celebro mi recuperación para la gloria de Dios.
Two complete strangers welcome with open arms.
His kindness was our first glimpse of the Colombian people, and it reminded us, love doesn't need introductions.
Thank you, Pastor. Muchas gracias, Pastor Angel. Para tu familia, para tu iglesia.
Come visit us, family. We'll take you here.
In Celebrate Recovery, we talked about our forever family, the family God grafts us into. And once again, we felt it.
Pastor Angel connected us with Allie, a local guide and sister in recovery. She showed us where the local shops were, how to exchange money, and how to experience Cartagena beyond tourist prices.
She also helped us book a city tour and an all-day island hopping adventure. What a blessing!
Cartagena and Antigua, Guatemala, where we live, both share UNESCO World Heritage status.
Colonial architecture, Spanish influence, stories layered into stone.
Founded in 1533 and named after Cartagena, Spain, the city became a target for pirates drawn by gold and riches.
To protect themselves, the locals built massive walls. creating the largest Spanish colonial fortress in the Americas.
In 1741, during the Battle of Cartagena, where the Spaniards won, even while heavily outnumbered.
Being outnumbered in battle must have been terrifying. Have you ever felt that way? Like the battles in your life are just too big?
There is hope.
Stepping with Zazzi and Randy. Celebrate Recovery Step 2 says, came to believe that a power greater than ourselves could restore us to sanity.
For it is God who works in you to will and to act according to his good purpose. Philippians 2:13.
Step 2 is about trusting in God, not trying harder, but going deeper.
It's the shift from self-reliance to surrender, from pretending that everything is okay and admitting that we cannot fix ourselves.
And discovering that God can.
The next day, we met our group at the pier in Boca Grande. A warm, sunny day. Shade on the boat, wind rushing past.
From the air, the islands looked like a rosary, a chain of prayers resting on the sea.
That's where the Rosario Islands get their name.
We explored the oceanario, fed raccoons, went skin diving, and finally rested.
That bird in the tree? It's like a sculpture, like a piece of wood.
After our city tour in the evening, we went out to dinner and invited our guide, Alexis, just to say thank you.
She told us she always wanted to eat there at Socorro's, but had never had the chance.
It humbled us to realize that we can now bless someone else the way others once blessed us.
We are not meant to be lonely islands.
Like the Rosario Islands, we're meant to live in community, connected.
A beautiful chain of prayers held together by the same God who sets us free.
We are deeply grateful for this journey.
And between history, sunshine, and memories of Cartagena and its people, we know we'll be back. In our next episode, we'll share more adventures and the next step in stepping with Zazzi and Randy. If this journey spoke to you,
Please like, subscribe, and share.
you never know who might need a little hope today.
In the sunset of our lives.
Beautiful Cartagena. Thank you for hanging out here with us at Ruts, and Rots. Remember, stay strong,
Stay curious.
stay adventurous.
We love you, family.
See you next time.
Roots,
Ruts and Rots.